Hello students. Now we can learn about types of phrases in English grammar. First, what is phrase? The term phrase means group of words that does not include subject and a verb. And it does not give a complete meaning in a sentence. Next, types of phrases. Noun phrase, infinitive phrase, verb phrase, participle phrase, adjective phrase, gerund phrase, absolute phrase, prepositional phrase and adverb phrase. What is noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of words that consist of a noun and modifiers that acts as together. What is modifiers? Modifiers is a word, phrase or clause which modifies other words in a sentence. Noun phrase acts as a noun in a sentence. And the example of the noun phrase is, did you enjoy reading this book? So in this example, reading this book is noun phrase and acts as an object of the verb enjoy. Then the next phrase is verb phrase. Verb phrase consists of auxiliary verbs. From the word it means helping verbs. And it describes an action like swim, drive, walk, teach, etc. So, verb phrase in a short means it uses helping verbs. Example, he drives to school every day. Here the drives is used as a verb in this sentence. Next phrase is prepositional phrase. From the word itself we can understand it consists of preposition and object of preposition, that is noun or pronoun. And this phrase functions as an adjective or adverb in a sentence, and it usually starts with a preposition and mostly ends with noun or pronoun. Example, a girl on the roof is singing a song. So on the roof is the preposition and it functions as adjective here in this example. Next, adjective phrase. From the phrase itself, it acts like an adjective in a sentence. It consists of adjective, modifiers or other words that modifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. Example, she brought a beautiful red basket. From this example, this modifies the noun basket, that it is very beautiful and it is red in color. Next, adverb phrase. Adverb phrase acts like an adverb in a sentence and it consists of adverb or other word, may be preposition, noun, verb or modifiers that make a group of word with verb in a sentence. Example, she drives car in a very high speed. From this example, in this sentence, it makes a group with noun and it modifies the adverb drive. Next, infinitive phrase. It always acts as a noun, an adjective or adverb in a sentence. It contains an infinitive, that is 2 plus base form of verb and modifiers or other related words. So infinitive phrase, it always makes sentence with 2 plus verb. And the example is, he likes to listen music. Here in former to and it uses noun as object. Next, gerund phrase. Gerund phrase is a group of gerund, means verb plus ing. Gerunds are words that are formed with verbs but acts as noun actually, and it functions as noun in sentence. I enjoy listening to the music, and it is in the former verb plus ing, listening, and functions as noun as an object. So from the sentence we clearly understand it forms as a verb but it acts as a noun. Next, participle phrase is a group of present participle, that is verb plus ing, or past participle, verb, modifiers and other linked words. This phrase is punctuated with comma or commas. Example, the toy made of wood looks very beautiful. So this is punctuated with commas here. Next, absolute phrase. It is also called nominative phrase. It consists of a noun or a pronoun, a participle and linked modifiers. Linked modifiers means phrase class gives more information in a same sentence. It is also separated by comma, but it looks like a clause but lacks true finite verbs. Participle phrase and absolute phrase are usually separated by commas, and now we can see the example of it. She is looking very much energetic, her face expressing a shine of happiness. In this sentence, it is separated by a comma and gives more information in same sentence. Hope you understood about types of phrases. Thank you.